What gave you the right to lock my sister out of this gate? What gave you that right? Something wrong with you?
Madam, why would you slap me? Why? This is abuse of power. Why would you hit me like that?
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? Shut it up. What is wrong with you? Now, one silly word from you again, from that hole on your face, that you call him out, I'll make your life miserable.
Hey, you stop it. You shouldn't have slapped her without hearing from the both sides. Now, Charity, tell me what happened.
Sir, just go in and freshen up. I'll come explain everything to you.
Let's go.
Welcome, sir. Okay, sir. Spirit.
This Rabbi. Sorry. Rufus, follow me.
Look at
what has come over you? What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. What has come over you? What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you. I can't do anything for you, just to show you how.
Madam, I say we don't reach.
Am I too small for you to open the door for?
Bye.
Come back here. My change.
You don't get change now.
Are you very stupid? Eh?
Yeah.
Which ones I don't have change? I'm not giving my change, I beg. For this government, now you won't take a whole 2K. You're very stupid. Give my change.
Madam, I no insult you, no insult me. I get your mate for house. Oh.
You're mad. You're mad. How can you compare me to those low life you have at home? You're very stupid. Okay, give me my change, I beg. Nonsense.
Take, spoiled brat. Now, what make you never marry?
Me, spoiled brat. It is you and your fourth generation that spoiled brat. Nonsense, man. Stupid. Is it because I'm managing this thing? This thing you use in carrying me.
Which one?
You're very stupid. Waka. Nonsense, man. Because of this rubbish. That's what you're using carrying me. That's what you're using to insult your father. Nonsense and stupid idiot. Come and take it. Charity!
Hi
guys, it's your favorite girl Cha-Cha for charity. You know how it is. It is love from this end, from me to you. Please send your girl some roses, send me some diamonds, some gold, some lions. You know, this girl needs to look all flashy and poppy for you guys. I need to look classy all the time for
Charity.
you. I see the love. Keep it coming, my baby.
Thank
Thank you.
Are the year outside where they quarrel so?
Yes, sure. I love. Yeah, thank you. You love the dresses. Oh, thank you. And I love you too. Please keep sending flowers, roses, gifts. Follow my gifters. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, I know.
Charity. No.
Yeah. Oh, no. Everything is fine. Thank you. Please keep double tapping. Follow my followers. Keep following my gifters.
Charity.
Thank you so much.
Charity.
What's this, Philo?
Yeah, that's no fix.
Philo, what is the call of your problem? Can't you see I'm making a video that does not require your voice? Philo, do not push me. Okay, guys, sorry, all love from me to you. Yeah, it's your favorite girl, Cha-Cha, all for love. Keep sending the love, I see the love. Yes. Keep sending it. Yes. Thank you so much.
Sorry, they knock the case. You know, sorry. Yeah, that's it.
No, guys, I'm safe. I'm fine. Just keep sending the love, okay? It's all love. You know how it is. Cha-Cha for charity. Don't worry, guys. I'll be with you in a minute.
You see, they knock the case, though.
Are you deaf? Didn't you hear the knock? You fool.
Are you going in or not?
Are you talking to me? Are you mad? Wait. Is it me? This stupid girl pushed out from my sister's house. Ha! Charity!
It's nice. Yes, I know. Just please keep sending the love. Yes. Oh, I love you too. Yes. Oh, nice. Okay, I'll just do a follow back. Yeah. Thank you. Just keep sending the love, the roses, the lions. Keep sending everything. I need all of it. Thank you so much. Keep, please. Yes, guys, please send me the love, the roses, the lions, all of it. I want them. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I see the love. Thank you.
Charity says if I'm the phone call. What's yours do? No good. You know good. Why you go throw away rose outside now? Why?
You know how it is, my people. Now it's nothing. Forget the distraction. Keep sending the love.
Now,
the
classical sack, you just do it yourself.
Philo!
Okay, sorry.
Philo, please avoid me. Philo, avoid me if you do not want to go out and stay with her. It's nothing, my people. Thank you. Yes. Please keep sending the love, the roses, the hearts. I need
Charity. I beg. You can go for work. I beg. Go carry rose inside and apologize to her. You know, kudo.
apologize to.
To Rose.
Rose?
Yes.
Why should I apologize to her? Philo, I am going to give you the last warning. Philo, avoid me. Avoid me if you don't want to collect. Philo, do you understand? Okay, guys. No. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Madam Precious Sister Birado.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I love you. Yeah. Oh, I see the ice creams. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Keep the ice creams coming. Keep the lions. Keep the gold. Thank you so much. Oh, I love you guys too. I love you.
What's going on? I can't explain. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? not the love you promise. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promise. Can I have some peace of mind? Have some peace of mind. Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? Have some peace of mind. This is not the love you promise. Can I have some peace of mind?
Hello, sis.
Hello?
Can you believe what just happened to me? That stupid lady your husband employed. Do you know what she did to me?
What? She did what? Is she mad? Is something wrong with her brain? She threw you out of the compound. That's no problem. You know what? Just hold on. Hold on there, right? We're on our way. We're coming. Just hold on. We're coming. Benedict!
We don't have time to waste.
Oh! You expect me to leave my fans? Is that what you want me to do? No, you want me to walk out on them? Is that what you want? No, that's not why I'm here. Do you even know what your security girlfriend did? Do you have an idea? Rose called and then she told me that that girl has the mind to lay her filthy finger on my sister. She chased her out of the compound and locked her outside the gate.
What could be the cause? Did you try to find out? And please, do not attribute Charity to my girlfriend again. She's our security guard.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Is that what you have to say?
Of course. When we get home, then we find out what transpired and know how to sort it out.
Benedict, what is it? What is wrong with you? No, what is your problem?
You want us to start doing this out here? Sharon,
no, you've already taken sides. Can't you see that you have taken sides with Charity? You've forgotten to
Don't get me wrong. Please, can you just respect even your career?
No, there is no problem. When we get home, you see that girl? She will show me what is giving her.
Fans are watching you.
No problem.
Fans are watching you.
What your problem is?
Hey, God.
What gave you the right to lock my sister out of this gate? What gave you that right? Something wrong with you?
Madam, why would you slap me? Why? This is abuse of power. Why would you hit me like that?
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? Shut it up. What is wrong with you? Now, one silly word from you again, from that hole on your face, that you call him out and make your life miserable.
Hey, you stop it. You shouldn't have slapped her without hearing from both sides. Now, Charity, tell me what happened.
Sir, just go in and freshen up. I'll come explain everything to you.
Let's go.
Welcome, sir. Okay, sir. Spirit.
How this Rabbi? Sorry. Rufus, follow me, follow me.
Will you get out?
Rufus,
Just to show you how I feel for you, I never expected this from you, cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind?
What was the meaning of that nonsense you did out there? I mean, why did you choose to embarrass me in front of that riffraff that is not even up to the standard of my shoes?
You humiliated yourself by being biased. I mean, you shouldn't have done that out there without hearing from the both parties. I requested for it.
Get out! Help! Get out from this place! Get out!
Are you out of your mind? Why did you do this? Why will you do this? What's wrong with you?
Back to what we were saying. You said that I did not handle the matter out there properly. That I am a biased person. That I'm being biased. In other words, you're calling me a biased person, isn't it?
You slapped that girl out there. You threatened to deal with her messiness.
So?
I mean, what is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong?
No, the question should be, what is wrong with you, Benedict? What is your problem? What is wrong with you? So this is all you have to say, right?
Honestly, you're just acting unbelievable. Listen, you need to relax. Just.
What has come over you?
Hey, you, come here. Charity, are you not the one I'm talking to? Are you deaf? I said you should come here.
Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times.
I'm sorry, ma'am. My name is not Hey. My name is Charity.
May thunder from the third heaven strike that much you use in talking to me. Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you? Oh! I called you. I was talking to you and just see the way you just walked majestically. Really, Charity? You know, I don't even know that thing that is giving you the mind to act anyhow in my house. I mean, that thing that is engineering you to misbehave in my house. I don't know what that thing is. Believe me. But I will tell you one thing. I will make you understand that this house still remains my house. You see this whole building? It is still my house and I know how to deal with people like you. You see, food or water, you will never ever have it. Not even the least of it in this house. I know how to treat people like you. Philo! Philo! Just stand there. Now your hands on your ears. Hold your ears. Are you holding it? Very well. You can hear me, right? Now you see this idiot standing here. Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? Listen and listen carefully. Okay. There should be no food, nor water, not even the least of my toilet water for this idiot standing on that, like standing in front of me. Did you hear what I just said?
Ma'am?
Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you too? I mean, what is wrong with everybody in this house? Okay. I repeat, again, there should be no food, no water, not even the least of my toilet water. Did you just understand what I said?
Very well.
You understand me?
Very well.
Very good.
Good. Is that all, ma'am?
Down.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Wow. Charity. So the one you do in secret is not enough for you anymore.
Come on, baby, it's not what you think.
Amazing. It is not what I think. Last I checked, this is not your duty post. So tell me, what are you doing in here?
Well, please have a seat.
So, where are you driving at?
I came and looking that the atmosphere is calm, I came to explain myself. Okay, sir. Let me take you back to when I resumed work.
I just hope you can do this work diligently because such jobs are mainly for men. And I do not want lapses. I need someone who can man the gate, give me a well-secured space.
I understand you perfectly, sir. Though I may look like a woman on the outside, but inside, I'm a full-grown man, sir.
It's alright. Let me take you by your words. I'll give you a chance. Like I said, please go get the gate, okay? That should be my wife.
Okay, sir.
Hey, sweetheart, welcome.
Welcome, ma'am. Who is she?
Our new security staff.
What is Peter? Where did he go to? I mean, are you not even supposed to tell me before bringing somebody else into this house as a security personnel?
Honey.
To think that she's a lady.
Well, honey, I have tried so many times to initiate the conversation with you, but you always turn me down. So I decided to make this decision, for us.
Oh, really? But you knew that I've been very busy.
Yes, I understand. So I made a perfect decision for us. Come on, do not worry. I know you're stressed, you need to rest.
Don't worry,
okay.
Sir, it's still my
Pay no attention to them. Your job starts. Second experience. Pass on time now, this man. Eh? Pass on time. Baby, what's wrong with you now?
I want to see a TV program, please.
You can do that in your room now. You see I'm watching a football match. Live match for that matter.
You can actually go upstairs and do that, so you can use the TV upstairs. Is it a crime? If you go upstairs to use the TV upstairs, is it a crime? Will somebody die?
Excuse me, everyone.
Hey.
What is it?
Okay. So, this is the rules and regulations that will be governing this house to help me do my job effectively.
Okay, so.
Okay, sir. I would want you to sign to approve to these rules and regulations.
It's alright. So if this will help you do your job effectively, then I will sign. Let me have the pen.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, please, give us a sign.
Okay.
Come on, baby, sign the papers.
For what? Or as what? Why should I sign it? Was I the one that employed her? Did I employ her into this house? Will you get this nonsense out of my face? Get out!
Okay, Charity, come. My signature is enough, okay?
Perfect.
It's fine, it's fine. Okay. It's okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
This will help me do my job well.
Good luck.
Have a nice day, sir.
Can you just put the match for me?
Just take a look at yourself. Just take a look at you. See this overripe papa walks into this place. She sat down on my couch, like in this living room. And then you could not say anything. And then she's opening her mouth and saying, you're watching her. Eh? You're looking for what I would say. There's no problem. I'm looking at you. My eyes are on you. You think I don't know the meaning of this nonsense you're doing? That's no problem.
Jealousy.
Because I told you I want to watch your program.
Put this match for me. Go to your room and watch whatever program you want to watch. Eh? I don't have strength. Ego.
Charity. So with everything you've just said, does that give you the right to throw my sister out of this compound? Does that give you the right?
Now, if you had read the rules and regulations, you wouldn't have raised your hands on me. Charity, it is very clear. Now it is very clear to me that there is something wrong with your head. In short, you're mad. You're obviously mad. You know what? I'm not even caught up for this rubbish. You see this whole drama you're putting out? I'm not caught out for it. You see this nonsense you did today? The rubbish you did today. Try it next time. Try it next time and see if I will not put my hands inside your eyes.
Hey, it's okay, Sharon. Come on. Alright, go on, I'm listening.
Okay, sir. A quick one. Maybe you guys then go through the rules and regulations. Subsection 3, line 4, it states, and I quote, "No form of disrespect will be tolerated in Sir Benedict's house." Rose violated that. She came to my duty post and insulted me. That's the reason for my discipline. Okay, sir. And please, everyone should go through the rules and regulations properly. And the law also states that no form of abuse should get to me. Hence, I'm doing my job and I'm doing it properly.
Will you pack up this rubbish stuff and leave my living room? Get out! Are you what?
Have a nice day, sir.
Chelsea, get out! What is wrong with this girl? Subsection 3,
Oh, I need peace of mind. I give you all you want? Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony.
Charity, am I not talking to you? Come open the gate for me, I want to go. Charity! I said open the gate for me, I want to go out now. I don't understand. Are you mad? Why are you trying the key for me?
Are you blind? Can't you see I'm eating?
You're eating and so? Eh? My friend, stand up from there and go open gate for me. By the way, who bought you this food that you're eating?
Who made the food that I'm eating? How is your business? Is it your money they use in buying the food? Who?
Charity, I'm talking to you and you're still eating. Eh? I'm talking to you and you're still eating.
Rose, don't pour those your poisonous saliva in my food, please.
Eh? Poisonous saliva? No one.
Rose! Yes! What did you just do, Rose?
I poured your food. What did you do? Rose!
You bought my food. You bought Rose, you bought my food.
Eh?
Rose, you bought my food. You want me to kill you? Do you want me to kill you now? Don't stand up from here, Rose.
Please! I want you to stand up for me first. So that you bought my food. Charity, it's me you're beating like this, eh? It's me you're beating.
Sure you have mouth.
Wait, stand up for me.
You have mouth, Abby. You can talk.
Stand up for me.
Stand up now.
You want like the food? Stand up. It's not for one thing. What happened? Let me hear this. It's not for you.
Try this nonsense.
No, come now. Come now.
Because I kept quiet for you. Just running your man and you broken down.
Charity fought me.
She fought you? What did you do? Why? What?
I didn't do anything. All I asked her was to open the gate for me. And she said she was eating.
Eat what? Eating which? What? Who gave her the food?
That was what I asked her.
I thought I instructed Philo not to give that girl food in my house again. She had the mind to do this to you. Without fear in her eyes.
She pounced on me.
That's no problem. Let's go outside. She will show me the strength. Drop your bag. That thing that is giving her the strength, I want to see it today. Let's go. What is wrong with this girl? She wants to eat Charity! What gave you the right to touch my sister? You have the right to beat her.
Where are you going to
now? Okay, I'm telling you, you're running.
Stand now. Where are you going to? Stand.
Charity. Do not move. Just kneel down there. Charity, don't even dare me, okay? Just kneel down where you are standing. Don't even move an inch.
Ma'am, I'm not the one. Why would I kneel down? I'm not the one who should be kneeling. Rose should be the one kneeling down.
For what? In my house. In my house, you're giving me orders. I said you should kneel down. Don't even allow me chase you. Don't allow me chase you. Don't even allow thunder fire you that place you're standing. Kneel down there.
Ma, I can't kneel.
She said you should kneel down.
Charity, if I go for the place, kneel on the place.
Ma, I can't kneel down. I can't. Please.
Okay, you're daring me, Abby. Ben! Benedict, you see this security girlfriend. This girl is pissing me off. She's biting more than she can chew. And I don't like it.
What has she done again this time?
Take a look at my sister. Just look at her. Look at what that girl did to my sister. That girl had the mind to lay her filthy finger on my sister just because Rose asked her to do what? To open the gates. Can you imagine that?
Let's go outside first.
What?
Let's go outside so I'll know what happened, man. Go, you follow me.
So it was Rose that threw my food away.
Rose, what's wrong with you? You should have collected the key, opened the gate by yourself and go where you're going. Why fight him? It's okay. Charity.
Sir.
Just take this, go get yourself another food, alright? If anybody throws your food away, throw theirs away too.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ben! Benedict! Benedict, I'm talking to you. You have to look at me. What is all this?
What is it, Sharon? What is it?
See, I know you want to get rid of me immediately. I know that you don't want me anymore in this house, but that does not give you the right to humiliate me, especially in front of that riffraff standing outside. What is all this? See, you have to calm down and wait for us to be officially divorced. Then you can go ahead and do whatever thing you want to do with her. I don't care. But you see, disrespect is one thing I will not take from you or any other person. I know you don't like me. Oh, I know you don't like me. You've never ever loved me. All the time you keep pretending like you love me, but you don't. One atom of love you don't have where I am. I know so.
It's all love from me, you know how we do it. Chacha cares so much about you. So please drop some lions, some roses, ice cream cups, you know, money guns. Oh my god, this is huge. This is nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, you actually sent me this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Of course. Yeah, sure. I'll do that after the live. Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You see this thing, then I say you get mine, oh. Mama say you get mine. How? But I couldn't ask myself, Firo, what's in the key for mine? But young dog of you, what's in the key for mine? But I'm strong, go. Make it day strong like this.
Philo.
Eh?
Philo. Philo, how many times have I told you to stay out of my business? Do I come to the kitchen to disturb you? Have I ever asked you anything concerning the kitchen? Philo, stay away from my business for God's sake. Philo, I will not warn you again. Stay away from my business. Okay, back to you guys. So this is it. It's all love from me, your girl, cha. You know how it is. Keep the love, keep it coming, keep everything coming. I love you. You know it. I know you get the memo. You got the memo. So keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Your favorite girl loves you. It is Cha for charity. All love from me to you. Send the ice cream, send the roses, send the money gun, everything you got in here. Send it for me. Your girl loves you so much. Yes, I'll do that sure after the live. I will definitely. Oh my God, it's not for me. Oh, I'm grateful. I love you too. Chacha loves you. Yes, sure. I would definitely.
Let me ask you. Why are you even bothered if I still love you or not? Because as far as I'm concerned, you no longer care about this marriage. So why are you bothered?
Really? Love. Who? Oh, thank God you just said that I do not care about this marriage. And it is very obvious, I don't care. you love me, and I do not want to even know if you still love me or not. All I ask for is respect. Is that too much to ask for? Respect is all I ask for. Benedict, if you and your security girlfriend decide to disrespect me in this house, I promise you, I will make this house a living hell for you two. Threat? Sweetheart, no. I, Sharon of Obike, do not threaten people. Alright? This is a promise. And trust me, you know that I like to keep to my promises. Excuse me.
What has come over you? What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. Oh, babe, that's why I give you all you want.
Hey, Rose.
Why are you doing this to my sister? Why the disrespect? What you're doing is not fair.
Listen, Rose, I am not doing anything to your sister. She brought the whole thing upon herself. You need to see how we were living in peace. How happy we have been in this house until she started making some demands I couldn't give in to. Some demands are not reasonable to me. I said no, I refused, and it made her file for divorce. I mean, it's not my fault. I am not doing anything to your sister. I have no intention of hurting her. I have no intentions of treating her badly. That was why I came to marry her in the first place. All I have existing here for your sister is love. God bear me witness. So I am not doing anything to her. Okay? I mean, it's not easy for me. I am the one feeling bad. I'm the one feeling hot. I'm not okay.
Do you still love her?
Does it make any difference? No, tell me, does it make any difference if I still love her or not? She has filed for divorce and that's it.
So, you're indirectly falling out of love for her. Is it because of that charity girl you brought in as a security? Is she the reason?
Rose, at this point, I do not care about whatever person feels or thinks in this house. Okay? I mean, Rose, I would want to be left alone.
So you want to grant her divorce? Can we talk?
About what?
Everything if possible.
Very well, then go ahead.
What is it you want from Uncle Ben?
What is it that I want? So he's pushing the blame on me now, eh? Let me ask you. What did he tell you that I demanded?
He didn't say anything. He said I should ask you.
Rose, I am a celebrity. Do you even understand that? I have demands. It is a very simple thing. If Benedict cannot meet up to my demands, he should go ahead and sign the divorce papers so we can go our separate ways. It's very easy. It's simple.
But I don't understand. They've been living in peace and have accommodated each other for those years. So I don't understand what changed.
So you want to tell me that you've not heard the saying that change is constant? You haven't heard it?
Sis, do you still love him?
Hello? Oh, yes, sir. Good day, sir. You need to leave. I have to take this call. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Yes, I'm on the line. Oh, standing by to see the governor? Alright, sir. Thank you so much.
Sharon, are you not using the other car? Are you not using this?
No. I wish to use this car. I have a function.
So, this one is not good for the function. I mean, Sharon, it's obvious you enjoy us arguing. You've been missing our argument. Oh, yes.
Missing what? What nonsense argument are you talking about? Oh, please.
Just admit it. Oh, yes. I know you're jealous how I treat Charity. Yeah.
Benedict, I know you brought that girl to this house to replace me. There is no problem. But there is something I want you to know. That there are millions of men out there begging to have me. Alright? So just go ahead and sign the divorce papers. Let's see who will miss each other or who will beg each other. Excuse me.
Hey, Sharon, it's not easy out there. Maintain your home.
Charity! Charity!
Okay, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Please open the gate.
No, sir, I can't open the gate. It's not yet time. 15 more minutes, sir.
Are you deaf? Something wrong with your brain. Did you not hear him tell you to open the gate? Madam, move that one, open that gate.
Sir, please, just go inside and relax. In the next 15 minutes, the gate will be open. By then, I'm fully dressed.
Is something wrong with your brain? Is your brain? Charity! Hold on! Ben! Ben! out there? I don't understand it. This girl said she was not going to open the gate. You could not even give her instruction to open the gate. Somebody you employed, and then you came in here and then you sat down.
She's doing her job.
What?
Besides, it's almost 15 minutes, so let's wait.
No, make it make sense to me. No, just make it make sense. If I had an important meeting I'm supposed to meet up to, you're going to sit here and tell me that I have to wait for 15 minutes for my own security to open the door for me. What are you saying?
Just here.
Oh, really? I'm yelling, Ben. Do you know what? You will not view my money. And I refuse for my money to be viewed by you. And that thing that you placed out there. Philo! Madam! Come and open the gate for me. Okay.
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind?
Oh, baby, wait. Me happy to give you all the rough person because they love me back. Me happy to do the finished touching, so I say rough me back. Baby, wait. Me happy to give you all the rough person. You can rough me back.
Who is loving you back? Love you back?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I rent the bread for. Let's finish gossip.
You know what are we having for lunch or for dinner?
Ma?
Yes. What are we having for lunch? Spaghetti, yeah?
Okay.
What is smelling?
Smelling?
I remember there's some trash you kept outside the kitchen, yeah? Please take it outside the gate. It's smelling. I don't like the smell. Why will you keep something like that in front of my kitchen?
Madam,
Go and take it out!
Madam, you don't go cook again.
You love me back, but I don't know who is loving you back. Yes, I am.
And that's why you're not comfortable with the closeness.
What nonsense are you talking about?
I'm talking about Uncle Ben and Charity's insecurity.
Rose, what makes you think that I still love him?
Sis, it's written all over your face.
You know, it's very obvious that you don't have anything reasonable to say. I need to keep you busy. Alright, just get a knife and then help me chop. Last of you, I want to make spaghetti.
Yeah, if you say so. Since you're no longer interested in me, then maybe I can have one to myself. Yeah, just so much. The knife.
Who's there?
Yeah, open the gate. I'm here to see you, madam.
Am I too small that you can't greet?
Am I supposed to greet you?
Oh. Do you have an appointment in this house?
Oh, so I need an appointment before I see my friend. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, you do. Nobody comes to this house without an appointment.
Since when? When did that start? Like, I'm supposed to have an appointment, book an appointment before I see... Are you okay?
Oh.
Please get out of my way.
I said, nobody comes to this house without an appointment. And you do not come to my duty post to tell me how to do my job. No appointment, no entry. Have a nice day.
Are you... What just happened now? Okay. Hello, Sharon. I'm at the gate. Yes, your gate.
Very well then, knock.
And some girl came out and said I'm supposed to have an appointment before I see you.
What?
Yes!
Are you being serious right now? She did... Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm coming. What is wrong with this girl?
Ma'am!
Why did you lock my guest outside? Will you walk fast and open that gate for her? Are you deaf? Did you not hear me? Security do you have here?
What type of security do you have here? My love, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Just calm down. Charity, what are we going to call this nonsense you just displayed? What's the meaning of this thing?
Ma'am, please, I'm just doing my job. I'm sure you didn't go through the rules and regulations I presented to you. It is in the rules. Nobody comes to this house without an appointment.
In my house, Charity, you opened that hole in your face to give me rules in my own house. Huh? That's no problem. I don't even have your time today, but I'll promise you one thing. Your days are numbered in this house. That thing that is giving you the mind to misbehave, I want to see that thing. Your days are really numbered in this house. Sweetheart, let's go inside, please. I'm sorry. Charity, your days are numbered in this house. pregnancy. Straight up. For you. Baby, just here. No way. Oh my goodness.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What can I do for you?
Ma, when is your guest leaving?
How dare you? Like, are they following you from your village? What is your problem? Are you a witch? What is it? I mean, what gods? You have the guts to come here and
Ma, you know the rules and regulations. When is she leaving?
Are they following you from your village? What is wrong with you? Are you crazy? Look at this girl, oh. See, if I stole you this glass, if I stole you, get out from my sight. I'm still talking to this girl. Don't I fire you? What is wrong with this girl?
Sharon, what did he say that?
I don't even know. My husband has given this girl so much leverage to start dishing out orders.
But come on, Sharon. Why would you allow your husband to employ a lady as your security? A beautiful one at that.
Debbie, in all honesty, I declined. But Benedict insisted.
And you know what that means?
What?
Sharon, he's trying to let you know that he can replace you and still control you. Girl, you need to wise up. Insist he signs the divorce papers. Stanley is patiently waiting to have you. He's ready to, take you around the world and spoil you like a princess that you are. I wish that he would just look back at me. I won't be here discussing him with you.
I thought you kept to your rules. Eh? You forgot chase Auntie Debbie out now. Because according to your rule, visitors are not allowed in and out of the house once it's 7 p.m. But now for my body, you go get power.
And who says I'm scared of her? Who says I can't chase out of this house when I want to? Who said so?
Now come on here. See you. It's written all over your face. You're scared. You're afraid of them. Yes. Because I know my auntie, my sister and her friend will beat you blue, black, yellow, and every other colors. You see you, They will disorganize your face. Go and try that nonsense with them now. Go and try it.
Rosie, please not today. I don't have energy for this. Just go.
I have your energy, I have your energy. Go and pursue her. Chase her out of the house if you have that strength. If it's me now, you want to now unleash your anger. Auntie, go and chase her out. Go and chase her out. I'm not afraid of her. Go and chase her.
Oh, I need peace of mind. Oh, babe, that's why I give you all you want. I can't do anything for you.
You see, men, you need to make it clear to them that you don't take nonsense. You are still young and fresh. If he doesn't want to accept your terms and conditions, you bounce. I mean, just walk away. Okay. Look at this. You can see. Stanley is always chatting me that he wants you. He's ready to pay your husband any amount just to have you. Girl, he cares for you. Okay?
Debbie, are you sure about this?
Yes, I'm sure.
Madam, stand up. The guest needs to leave.
Hi, Debbie. Debbie, if I stand up from this chair, even the devil knows that I will strangle this girl. Are you crazy? Did I send you from your village? Did I send this girl to my life? What is wrong with you?
Ma'am, This is 7:15.
I'm still talking. Just are you okay?
Sharon, easy.
What is wrong with this girl? I told you that this girl is a witch. Do you not? Sharon! Wait, hold on. Charity, I will not repeat myself again. I've said it before. Go upstairs, pack everything that belongs to you. Pack everything and you're leaving this compound this minute. Like I'm very, very serious. I'm not bluffing. Go in and pack everything that belongs to you, like right now. I'm not talking to somebody. I'm talking to you. Go inside there and pack everything that belongs to you.
Mama, please, don't touch me, please. Don't stain my clothes, I beg. The presents are very expensive.
Jenny just say what this idiot said to me. I don't blame her. It is my husband that is giving her that leverage. This is what it is. Hey, Charity, don't waste my time. Do what I asked you to do. Go up there, pack everything that belongs to you and leave my compound this minute. Am I talking to somebody that is deaf?
Okay, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Ben, I asked Charity to pack everything that belongs to her and leave this house this minute. That is what is happening here.
What exactly has she done so I'll know how to pass my judgment?
I don't understand. Is it what she did or it is what I asked her to do?
Don't really just answer my question. I can't just start yelling at her without knowing what she did.
Sharon, fine. Since you want to know what she did, this thing standing here embarrassed my guests today. This girl has the mind, the boldness to walk up to me and tell me that my guest has overstayed. It is time for her to leave. Can you even imagine that?
Oh, I thought she did something serious. She was actually doing her job. Well done job, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Please tell Philo to go.
Ben!
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Benedict!
Philo!
Okay.
Sharon! Oh my, Sharon, I have to leave now. I will see you later.
Debbie, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything.
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to get.
I mean, you two tend to disrespect me at every given opportunity and it is affecting my mental health. You're making me feel like I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Please! It is either she leaves this house and wait until we are legally separated, and then you can bring her back and continue whatever rubbish you're doing with her. Alright? Or you sign these papers here and right now.
She's going nowhere. And the date given to us by the magistrate have not reached.
Oh, really? Is that what you have to say to me? Hey, Benedict, I can see that you're looking for trouble. And trouble is what you will get. You're testing my capability. You want to see what Sharon can do. You want to know what I can do. Right?
Yes, sir.
You're you're stupid for answering that question. Come on, get out! Benedict, I'm talking to you. You're paying deaf ears to me. So the person standing in front of you is not a human being. I'm an empty barrier. I'm making noise. I'm a dog. I'm just talking, isn't it? Madam, who asked you to serve that food?
Okasi has to serve the food.
Are you mad? The food. Who did you collect permission from to serve this food?
Okay.
Carry this food.
Ma?
Ma? I said you should carry this food down.
Drop that.
I swear, if you move, if you move, Abasi,
Rubbish! You see this house? There will be no peace for anybody in this house. You want trouble? I will give you trouble. So you want fight? I will give you fight. My remaining days in this house, Benedict, I promise you there will be no peace for you in this house. Anything you want to do. Sign these papers. Rubbish.
No, I don't.
Please get me a paper towel, please.
Okay.
Please, can you help me tell Stanley? Yes, tell him ask him when he will be free so we can see. I'll be hoping to hear from you. Soonest. Alright.
Sharon, can we talk?
Talk about what exactly? Now, what do you want us to talk about? You employed your girlfriend into this house. That's no problem. Benedict, please, can you sign the divorce papers? Sign it so I can have my peace. What is all this? I'm giving it to you downstairs to sign. Just sign it for me so I can be free. Everybody's just going to go their separate ways. See, I just want to be left alone, okay? That was why I left the parlor for you.
Sharon, can't you see your girlfriend is misleading you? It's obvious. Can't you see that?
Really? Benedict, really? This is what you have to say. Please, I beg you, okay? Go and look for what is your problem. Alright? My friend is not your problem. Go and look for what is your problem. What is all this? You're trying to look for who to pour your frustration on. Sign the divorce papers, I don't want trouble. Go ahead and sign it.
I hope you're enjoying what your presence is causing in this house, right? But one thing I know for sure is that you will definitely reap what you sow. Common sense supposed to tell you, see? You're supposed to wait till they're officially divorced before you should come in and take over. Eh, madam? Well done, oh. You just came in, JJ, to engineer it, to cause more, to add more fire to it. Well done. Clap hand for yourself. You did well. But let me tell you something, eh? You see that cane they used to flog old wife? That's the same cane they will use to flog new wife. Continue doing what you're doing. You will definitely reap it.
What? Nothing. Maybe I want us to make our stay more interesting.
It sounds nice.
I know.
So, how do you want it to be?
Okay.
Why are you blindfold?
Hey, just to make it romantic, come on.
Are you sure about this?
Baby, I'm sure you're scared.
Scared? I mean, why should I be scared of you?
If you're not scared, then allow me. Just a little surprise. Okay. Easy. Okay. That's good.
Pretty good. Hey.
Life is not the way you see it. So try to let this go, no matter what it may be. Why do you stand to gain from planning someone down for? Don't forget that what goes around comes around. It's just a matter of time. Everything will be made known. Be made known. Ooh, 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 yeah. You were a friend of me. Ooh, yeah. Beware of people around you. Cause you don't know who is who. You don't know who is who.
How did it go? I hope you had fun. Well, not really. Not really.
What's that?
What was that? Did you see your face when you entered here? You're looking like someone that just came back from honeymoon. Hello. Hey. Debbie. Okay, fine. Let me make a confession. Okay. I had fun. I enjoyed myself, but a little bit, just no, give me the full gist. I want the full gist.
Excuse you.
What gist do you want to hear? There's nothing to gist you about now. It's just, normal adult fun. Just, that's all. But guess what? Oh my goodness. Just guess. Tell me. No, I don't want to make any guess. Just tell me.
What is it?
Guess now. Just tell me. What is it? We are going on a tour. Oh my god! Yes. I mean, once I'm done with this whole divorce saga with Benedict, okay, we are going on a tour. Yo, you're about to live your best life. But I just have a little challenge. What could that be? I don't know how to get Benedict to sign those papers as soon as possible. He needs to sign them. Okay. I think I have an idea and it will work. Really? Yes. Tell me, what is it?
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you. Cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love.
You're not funny, so Mokadi and Bobo. You're not funny, so. You're not funny, so Bokadi and Bobo. You're not funny, so. You're not funny, so Bokadi and Bobo. You're not funny, so. You're not funny, so Bokadi and Bobo. You're not funny, so. Come in. Welcome, madam.
Yeah. You need to stop whatever thing you're doing right now, okay? Okay. Go upstairs, pack everything that belongs to you. You're leaving this house this minute.
Ma'am? Madam, sorry, I did not hear.
Are you deaf?
No, madam.
So?
Madam, you talk something. He says you pack my things and go. Madam, okay? Beg no fix. What did I do wrongs?
Am I supposed to explain myself to you as to why you need to leave my house? I employed you and I just said that your services are no longer needed in this house. So just go upstairs, pack everything that belongs to you and leave. Meanwhile, call your account details.
Madam, I beg now. Madam, I beg, no sack me. This work now, the only work where they carry leave me and my sister. We no get money. But I beg you. Anything where I do, I no go do am again.
So how's that supposed to be my business? I mean, that should be your own cup of tea. Alright? Anyway, since you've asked me, fresh hair is going to replace you. As you can see, he's here already.
I don't see him.
So, he will resume work immediately. Meanwhile, Fresh, there's a room by your left-hand side, alright? Go there. So you go in there, make yourself comfortable, drop your bag, and then come out immediately because you resume work like right now. You need to make me a very hot jollof rice.
Yeah, which my command.
Alright.
Now make her assist the Fresh. Fresh, make her assist you, Madam Bob. Madam, you get my Madam Bob now. Madam Bob now. I beg you. I don't go do again. Madam, I beg. Madam Bob, I beg you, Bob.
Your account, Philomena.
I no get.
Call.
I no get.
If I leave this place.
So you're looking so dull, like you want to cry.
Madam, don't sack me.
What did you do?
I don't do anything, no. You just bring another person come talk, say another person now go they walk, go they cook me, make I go out.
Sorry. Where is she? Don't worry, don't cry. Let me go and talk to her. Sis, please don't be offended. Did you sack Philo? What did she do?
Please, her services are no longer needed in my house.
Why? She didn't do anything wrong.
Do I need to explain to anybody as to why she needs to leave my house? This is my house. I say who stays and who leaves. Alright? As a matter of fact, I have a new person. There's a new employee.
Fresh baby. Okay? You are in a good mood. Let me come around.
Mama say if you dey follow me again, you go see wetin I go do you for there. Don't get this press, you know, allow me to rest since I start to work for here. Problem. Now madam don't sack me. No, go carry the house job. I got that over.
How is it my fault that you lost your job?
That's your fault. No be your fault. I better go open this gate, make I come out for here. It's not your fault. That's in my fault. Put in here to become Magara. That's your fault. It's not your fault. Don't worry, so you come out for here.
Charity, what's your mission in this house? Are you an agent of destruction?
Rose, am I the one you're talking to? You better learn how to control your tone or I will teach you how to.
It's obvious and I can see it, that you derive joy in bullying someone.
Rose, I will not warn you again. I don't see anything wrong in doing my job in this house. So you better learn how to talk to me or else I will teach you how to.
See, whatever measure you use on someone will definitely come back to you.
Oh wow. I didn't expect to see you now.
Oh, what did you come to do?
Well, I had to make sure everything is properly set. Sharon is a high-class personality. And she likes it classy and demure. And the only way to win her is to meet her taste.
Yeah, she made mention of that. Classy lifestyle.
Now you see.
I know.
So tell me, how did it go? I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, I did. Honestly, I had fun. A very big one. And I can't even wait to go back and have such fun again.
Oh, okay. You're not enjoying it, eh? No, I think it's time you pay me. As a matter of fact, I'm not paying your balance.
No, don't say that. Are you joking? When I delivered beyond your expectation, no, don't even say that. You're the one to pay me, I'm telling you. Please, did you cook anything?
What did you say?
Did you cook anything? I need something I need to eat.
As what? Your wife?
As someone that delivered beyond your expectations now.
Oh, please. I'll be right back.
Let's be fast.
Philo, please get me a glass of water. Oh my goodness. You're welcome, sir. Yeah. Young man, who are you? Oh, I am Fresh, the newly employed house help. Who employed you? My lady Sharon. Where is she? Here, she's upstairs. And listen, young man, before I return, you better get yourself out from my house. And what the hell are you still doing in my house? You didn't hear what I said earlier? I'm waiting for the one that employed me. You're very, very stupid. Now get out from my house. Sorry, sir. I cannot leave hotel. I said you just tell this boy to stay away from this house. Get out from my house. Get out. I cannot leave here until just go. I cannot leave. I will not leave until you cannot leave my own house. Get out. Get out. Oh my goodness. Papa, calm down. What is this one now? One on one, I will take you down. What did happen? But let's go inside and get away from here. Go inside. Just imagine in my own house. This is so crazy. Have you seen what your sister cost? Bringing a stranger into my house, come and insult me, telling me one on one, and you're taking it for my own house. No, listen. No, I can't take this. It's not possible. I can't take this rubbish. What nonsense? Who does that? In my own house, you're talking about at me?
Okay, let me go and talk to her. She will listen to me. I'm her sister, please.
Hell no.
Please come down, let me just talk to her.
Listen, go and talk to Sharon right away. Because I'm about to do something crazy. Just go and talk to her. Fast! Please. Very, very fast, before I commit murder. I'm about to do anything crazy. Please go and talk to her. This can be happening in my house. What rubbish? What nonsense? In my own house, one-on-one. That's what you're telling me, you stupid boy? No worries, I don't blame you. I blame Sharon for bringing you to this house to come and talk rubbish before me.
This house? I'm not going anywhere. I go nowhere. I'm going to promise you don't tell me. Go do it. Don't want to make the shelf with them. This one I'm saying because it's pot, just take a few to make me. Not possible. Okay? Alright, yeah. Ah, God, that's what they do. And you're done my own. You don't pimp me, carry me to come for your house. You say, you're good at that. I'll go this one day. No possible now. Please, let me get to like 1 week, 1 month. Yes. After the goes, I will go see furniture.
I asked you to leave the house and you're here! Get out! I said get out! I am not going anywhere. Leave my house. I said I'm not going anywhere.
Respect yourself and leave now.
I am not going anywhere until Lady Sharon comes out. Oh, no, I ain't the one that employed me. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Fresh, will you just go?
I'm not going anywhere.
Sharon, just tell this intruder to leave my house, please. Fast.
I don't understand. What is going on here?
I told your husband that I am not going anywhere because he's not the one that employed me. I'm waiting for you to say if I should go or not. Sharon, this boy is leaving my house now.
Man, I don't understand. Why are you asking him to leave? Is that a problem?
I don't want to do anything disastrous. Tell him to leave my house.
No, he's not leaving.
Right now.
He is not going to leave this. I don't understand. I remembered when you employed Charity into this house. I told you that I was not comfortable with that girl. I mean, a female security. I don't understand it. But then what did you say? You insisted that she will stay. So I am insisting that Fresh is going to stay in this house. If Fresh leaves, then Charity leaves this house. Yeah, she's going to leave. What am I even saying? She's leaving right away. Listen, Charity will leave my house. She's leaving.
He has to leave now.
Charity!
Something is just holding me back. Get out of my house. I would have killed someone. I would have killed you. I would have killed someone.
Get out! Pack your things and leave this house this minute.
No, enough.
Are you deaf? Can't you hear me?
I said enough of this madness.
Enough? Which madness?
Enough.
Have you seen madness? No, you have not seen madness, Benedict. Benedict, if I show you madness, you'll be able to differentiate when I'm normal and when I'm not normal. See, you just have two options, okay? It is either you sign that papers or as Fresh is leaving. This thing standing here that you call your security or whatever rubbish, I don't even know what you two are doing. We'll leave this compound this minute. You see the other side of me.
Charity, thank you so much for your services. Rose, thank you so much for your effort towards this marriage. To make sure it doesn't crash. And you, Sharon, you want to know what has been going on here? Whatever that has been going on in this compound is for the sole reason for this our marriage to survive and not to crash. Oh yes, but at this point, I do not care. I do not care. Yes, because I can't give in to your demands. Never. It is too much for me. I can't afford it. Alright? So I will go ahead and get those divorce papers. So I sign, you sign, so that you can go ahead and go meet those people or whatever person they told you that is better than I am. Alright? I'm going to get those divorce papers right away. Rubbish. We have been trying to talk to you to calm down, to seriousness with us, to be... I'm coming. I'm coming.
Sis, I know you're confused right now and you're trying to figure out what is going on. Let me break it down for you. I know your friend has been advising you wrongly. Yes, and your husband has complained to you severally about it, but you're not seeing the signal.
Honestly, I'm still thinking, okay? I'm still trying to process all of this. It's not like I've agreed. I'm still thinking. I don't know how to say it. You can accept it. You can just leave your career. No. And if he doesn't accept it, you file for divorce. Yes. You're still very young and you can still, get on with your life. You remember Stanley? You remember Stanley from our school days? He's still very much interested in you. So you can file for divorce and get on with it. I'm supposed to answer my bad. Sorry.
Philo! Philo!
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times.
You look disturbed. Uncle Ben.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
I know you. You're not good at pretending or even lying. I've been observing you and I know you're disturbed.
Rose, I'm okay, as a man. Sometimes you pick many things, process and, try to figure it out in your brains and all of that, so I'm good. I'm okay, huh? I'm alright.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure I'm good.
Okay, if you say so. Let me continue with what I'm doing.
This is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. What has come over you? What has come over us? Living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised.
Why do you want to divorce Uncle Ben?
Reasons best known to me.
Or is it Auntie Debbie who is trying to lure you out of your marriage?
Rose, I will advise you to please take away Debbie out of this, alright? Whatever saga I'm having with Ben has nothing to do with who? Debbie. So please, I beg you. It is obvious that Ben cannot meet up to my demands. So he has to sign the divorce papers so we could go our separate ways. It's as simple as that.
Sis, you should have a rethink.
Nanga rost my mind. Oh, Mare. He said, the doctor said I was married far. I didn't clean smoking. Nanga rost my mind. Hello? What's that?
Did you see Uncle Ben?
Oh! They asked Uncle Ben. You go outside.
Just now.
You okay? Go outside. The doctor said I went very far. I didn't drink or smoking cigar. I didn't eat smoking cigar. Nana.
Living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on.
Victor!
I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind?
Did you see Uncle Ben?
He passed here.
But this car is here.
No, you not carry car, come out. You not carry car. No, if you go outside, like you say, you
I call Punkis for me.
I never expected this from you, cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised.
I just stepped out to have some work, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Is everything alright?
Do you mind if I join you?
Okay, no problem. I'll be having like 1 hour walk. Are you fit to do that?
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. It's alright. Hey, you know, let's keep the body and soul fit. Of course.
Uncle Ben.
Yeah.
So you and my sister wants to divorce. And I guess that's what have been disturbing you of late.
It is well. It is well. I mean, one of those things.
But since when? Whose idea was it?
Rose. I mean, it's really... Well, I don't know what came over your sister. I don't really know what came over her. All of a sudden, your sister turned to something I can't even identify. And this all started when when I told her that she has to cut down on the number of jobs she collects. That was my statement. And after that statement, she took it the wrong way and started acting wrongly on that. You know, I was just trying to care. You know, something like, baby, I wouldn't want you to take more jobs again so you won't be stressed while pregnant. And she doesn't even know I care about her a lot. I love her so much, I love her career. I've even made inquiry from Debbie on how to open her own YouTube channels, you know, any outlet personally for her so she can make her own movies, make her own money, employ people, you know, just, I mean, instead of hoping on producers, executive producers, marketers to call upon her, you know, she produced her own film, make her own money and all of that. I've been making that plan. I even want to set up a studio, an entertainment studio for her. So I care, I value her career a lot. I'm not trying to stop her, but just trying to tell her, okay, baby, you can manage the stress. So you don't, you know, overwork yourself while you're pregnant. She took it the wrong way and all of a sudden my wife turned into something I can't identify and she's opting out. I can kill myself, honestly. I don't know, but I just pray. I don't know, you know, So
that's it.
Rose, honestly, let's walk, Rose. Let's walk so I can get some things off my head.
I can't believe that's just it.
Rose, so how is it with you?
Living in peace and harmony, but I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised.
Uncle Ben.
Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one.
I was trying to figure out something.
Did you by any chance discuss your plans about my sister to Debbie?
Does it matter?
Yes, it does. Please tell me.
Well, I told her, yes. I told her about my intention of giving your sister 30 million naira to set up her business. Apart from me establishing an entertainment studio, so.
No wonder. That means Debbie is the one influencing my sister. And we need to find out if she's only being influenced by Debbie or she really wants this divorce. And also, if she still loves you.
So, how do we do that?
We need to get the security. And definitely it's going to be a beautiful lady.
A lady? How? I mean, how can you get a lady man the gate? It's meant for men. A lady can possibly do that job.
I know, but that will make her jealous. Yes. If she pays no attention to it, you know that she's not only being influenced by Debbie, but she wants to stay out of the marriage. She wants the divorce. But if she pays attention to it, I know my sister. She won't even let a female security stay in the house for 5 minutes. Because she knows love is jealous, love protects and fights for its own. So she will do all possible means to let her out.
What if it didn't work out?
Let's just try it. If it doesn't work out, then it's fine. You can let her go. Yeah, let's just try.
So, Peter, you're going to stop work for now. I'm not sacking you. There is something we want to do. After that, you resume. Alright?
Okay,
Peter, it's like you're just going to rest for some time. When we are done, we'll call you.
Okay, I don't want rest too. I feel comfortable with this job.
Listen, Peter, while you're resting, I'll give you some tip to at least chill with. Okay? No, just it's alright.
Hey.
Okay? So I think we go with one of the options that you know how to do.
Hey, now pursue Oga will pursue me also. Oga won't you start to pursue me? What do you think I do now? I never cannot do my Oga anything now. I never steal the money. Nothing I'm lost for this compound. What did I do? Hey, God. Well, they say you will give me small money, make I take manage. I go manage that one. But I don't know how much. If I go back to my duty post.
Uncle Ben.
Yeah.
I have contacted the person that will do the job. Yeah, possibly she'll be here tomorrow.
Oh. I just pray it works out. Like the person, does it well.
Uncle Ben, there's no harm in trying.
Oh yes, there is no harm in trying, honestly. I don't know. We shouldn't, go through all this stress. I don't know why your sister has allowed the devil to come in between our happiness. Honestly, it breaks my heart, but...
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
Hopefully. So let me keep my hopes high.
I know that for sure.
It's alright.
Sis, your husband loves you so very much.
have signed mine, kindly sign yours. Have it, sign yours. Sign yours, let's squash this marriage and everyone go separate ways. Rubbish. Bow the dash. We've been begging, we've been talking to you and not ceasing to no avail. You can eat me up. I won't die because of all of this. I won't die.
Sis, whatever you want to do, it's fine. I'll personally...
Can you just stop! Just shut up! Stop talking! Stop it! What is it? Is that the way you brainwashed my sister? You brainwashed her to the point that she's talking from the left side of her mouth. You're a very selfish person. Benedict, you're so selfish. You want to open a shop of how much? How much again? 30 million for me. 30 million that I can make in a few days. That is what you want to use in establishing a shop for me, Sharon. Newsflash. You think I don't know what your plans are? You want to turn me to a full housewife. That is what you want to subject me to. Never. You can never ruin my career. It will not work for you. It will not work. Your plans will not work. Nonsense. You people want to drive me crazy. You're making me feel like I don't know what I'm saying. Fresh. You with the car keys, yeah? There's no problem. Let me just go upstairs and pick a few things. Alright? I'll be right back. Everybody in this house has gone crazy!
Oh my goodness. Oh, finally I'm free. Hey. Hi.
You're happy that you're divorced. Sis, there is nothing out there that is better than your home. You don't have to leave now. Sis, can you just think this through, please?
Oh my goodness. Hello, Fresh. Yes, I need you to come to my room now. Yes, I want you to help me take my box downstairs. Alright, fast, I'm waiting.
Sis, can you just stop? Can you just... Sis.
Fresh, you'll be the one to drive, okay?
With all pleasure, ma'am.
With your pleasure.
And as for you, Charity, I am sure that you're happy. I mean, you must be so happy that your dream is finally coming to pass, or your dream have finally come to pass. I'm leaving. You can now have the house, okay? True commands. Dish out orders. Eat him. Devour him for all I care. Alright? I'm sure you're happy. And you, I'm sure you can still find your way back to our father's house. Alright? Just send me your account number. I'll send you something. Fresh, please take me out from this place.
Alright, ma.
Sis, now must you not touch me.
I'm going to room. Just, please. Sis.
I need peace of mind.
Open the gates now. Open the gates or you still want to like you again. Open the gates. Let's see my come. Let me go.
Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? Some peace of mind. This is not the love you promised.
Girl, I am so free. Free like a bird. Now I can fly around the world with my man Stanley. Thank you so much, Debbie. Thank you for opening my eyes. I mean, thank you for showing me the world and seeing the light. How else can I say thank you? You know what? Just hold on, I'm coming over to the house, okay? Yes, I need to tell you thank you specially before I travel out with my man.
Celebration indeed.
I can't wait to gist you. I'm coming. Just hold on. I'm fresh. Very well. I'll take it up from here. Thank you very much. You know what you do? Send me your account details. I'll forward some money to you. All right? Very well. Yeah, that reminds me. I saw the way you were staring at me. Is there a problem?
Ma, first of all, thank you very much for the opportunity to work for you. And you know, now you're officially divorced. So in case you still need my services, I'm still available. Just come.
I don't understand what you mean by services.
And I don't say last day. So I got no day like this now. You will still sometimes what are you gonna do? You man and wife now. I understand now.
Are you stupid? Is your brain leaking? Is something? Are you breathing from your anus? Is something wrong with you? Come on, get out from this place.
I say I did for you.
So as tall as you are, you don't have sense. You don't know what to say. Get out.
But if you still change your mind,
I'll kick you now. Look at this idiot.
if you change your mind,
Don't I fire you? Very stupid fellow.
I must say last sometimes somebody will be doing somehow.
It's not your fault.
If
I move this car, I will jam you.
No problem, man. Again, just call me. I did for you.
I am no longer comfortable with these games you're playing. I'll be thinking of later, and my mind is beginning to judge me so badly. And please, at this point, I just want to call it a quit. And I'm walking off this whole thing.
Sorry, what did you say? You want to call it a quit? That's a joke, right?
Is this a joke? Does this whole thing look like a joke? You think I'm bluffing?
Obviously, you are bluffing. Because, you see this game? I decide when it's over.
No, you do not decide. You do not decide for a man like me. No! The worst you can do is to seize my balance, and that is it. I do not care. I don't care. I'm off.
Stanley, listen to me. Stanley, listen to me.
Please, just allow me be, alright?
How dare you walk out on me when I'm still talking? Oh, after I clothed and helped you, you think you can just back out without my approval? Huh?
What else do you want from me? This is a sincere question. What do you want from me? You have succeeded in making that woman divorce her husband. So please, let me be.
if you walk out of that gate, you will come back and I will listen to you.
Watch me walk out of that gate and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you are going to do about it. What is wrong with you? Huh? But before I leave, I would love to ask you one question.
Which is?
Why do you want to destroy that woman? Why are you so keen to destroy that woman completely? What will be your gain if you destroy that woman? What will be your gain if you destroy everything that she has worked for? Remember, there is no sin that is unforgivable. None.
Okay. Fine! Madam, my con, 500, come on for you. Zero. Make you know they cry again now. You don't do the crying now. No, they cry again.
No, they tell me make I no they cry again. Oh. No, they tell me that thing. No, they tell me that thing. He pay me. If you not pay you, pay me. Now me lose the job. No be you lose the job. The job where they give us money when we they carry shop for this country where I like this. That kind big money they come pursue me come out. He say make I no they cry. Why go see that kind big job do again? Who go pay me that kind money? Bong me or riff me.
Zero. No worry, God will give you that job. Go stay give you another one. Make you not cry again. You don't say now only you be my only sister. Now you be my only sister. Make you not cry again. You will get another one.
I make bong me, leave me, make I cry my cry.
No cry again. No cry. No cry. You say me they cry, me say I go begin cry my own.
No cry, oh, no cry.
I go cry, you want make I cry? I don't cry my own. I don't cry.
It's okay.
I go begin cry. Hey, my God on the bone. Make you know they cry.
No drink your corn. No drink your corn.
You know my sister. Don't cry again.
I know they.
Rose, how far? How is he doing?
It's not good at all. He's devastated.
Okay, so what can we do to cheer him up?
I don't know. I'm as confused as you are.
But your sister? What is wrong with your sister? Doesn't she know that all that glitters are not gold?
See, I've tried and I'm still trying to fix my sister's marriage, but...
It's okay. Let's just go inside, okay? That's fine. Let's go inside. It's okay.
I need you to take out the post. Ah. Okay.
What is this? She got nuts. Trying to blackmail me or what?
Don't worry. Definitely she will come back.
Sir, please, you need to take it easy on yourself. Please. This is not the end of God's plan for you. Okay? God will definitely give you someone that would look after you and love you forever.
I tried my best. I did everything I could. I gave in my all. I tried my best. I worked day and night. I grind hardly all day to give myself and my lovely wife a good life. I shower her with love. I treat her like royal. Honestly. Okay. What was the problem? The problem was that I wanted my woman, the love of my life, to live a stress-free life. I suggested to her wholeheartedly, with love, I said, baby, please, can you cut down on the number of jobs you take? But it could be affecting you, you know. Oh, we are married. We need to start making kids. We need to start making babies. It could affect you taking in. And eventually, if that happens, too much stress won't be good for you as a pregnant woman. Just cut down on the number of jobs you take. Boom! I'm a selfish man. I'm not worthy of this and that. Just everything changed. What's my crime? Loving and caring for her. Just tell me. Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay, sir.
What's the meaning of all this? Are you trying to blackmail me or what?
You know, when I told you that I'm the one to say when this is over, you thought I was joking. Think again. This would not be over until I'm done getting my full revenge on Sharon.
And I've told you time with that number. What is it that is unforgivable? What is it that this girl did to you that you can't even forgive and let her go?
Just calm down. Just have a seat. You're about to find out what she did to me.
No. You really have to tell me. No, tell me. Huh?
I just said you should sit. You're about to find out what Sharon did to me. What did Sharon do? I heard your conversation. What is going on? What's going on here? What is going on here? I don't understand. I will tell you. You stupid idiot. But before then, I just have to tell you that this love thing going on between you two, it's not real. Stanley, what is she talking about? Can you explain? And what?
I don't know. She masterminded the whole thing. And I think she should be in the best position to air and clear the air. And tell you.
I don't get it. What did she mastermind what? What is good? Can you just make it make sense to me? What is happening here? Calm down, darling. I'm going to tell you in detail. So that your next life, you will respect, fear, and never betray anyone called Debbie. Stanley!
Is it like?
Stanley!
Deborah! Is it you?
What are you doing here?
Hey! Look what I'm doing here first. Deborah! Huh? So this is you?
It's me.
Hey! Who is the car?
Oh yeah, I actually wanted to pump my tire.
Hi!
I mean, what are you doing here? Is this what you do? Stanley, the most brilliant in our class. No way. This is what you do.
You know, if being brilliant in the class equates to being successful, then you that I know will be cleaning somewhere in the street.
Oh, please.
Life is not fair to some of us. It's okay. That's how I saw the life. Deborah,
good to see you.
You're looking good though.
Oh, thank you.
Hey.
Thank you. You know what? I think you should just round up what you're doing. I live close by. Let's just go to my place. Good meal will not be bad, you know. We need to catch up.
For me?
Yes.
Hey! Wait. Just wait. Let me pack all these things in my shop.
Right.
Hey! Good meal. Yes. Deborah. 1 minute, I'm coming.
Okay.
You're welcome to my house.
Life itself is not fair to some of us.
Listen, whenever you envy or talk about wealth, you don't know its source. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right back.
Okay. Man, this meal is so delicious. Very sweet.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. You can cook.
Do you want more?
What?
I can get you more.
No. I've not even finished what you gave me. That I cook for more. No. Let me finish this one. This is enough. It's okay. Overwork yourself.
Alright. Just eat. We'll have a lot to discuss after your food.
Okay. Debbie.
You know, poverty has a way of making a man lose his steez and respect. Do not let that happen to you. You are a man. Be a man.
Well, you're right.
Yeah. For you?
Wine.
Yes.
It's nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Love it.
Good. Okay. I have a job for you.
A job for me? That's beautiful now. I'm available.
You know, I've been looking for a perfect person for this job till I met you today.
God. So, I'm lucky then. What kind of job is that?
You remember our friend, our classmate Sharon? You remember her, right?
Yes, now Sharon.
Yes, you know you guys used to have crush on each other.
Sharon! Ha! I can never forget that girl. Up till this day, I still have a crush on her.
Really?
I'm telling you. So much like that girl. Hi,
that means
Sharon.
You are perfect for this job.
Yes. Okay. Perfect.
You are.
How do you mean?
Okay, this is it. I want you to help me. Okay, I mean, partner with me to, destroy her marriage and career.
What? Destroy what? Her marriage? God forbid. No, I can't do that. Mbao. Destroy Sharon's marriage. Mbao. No, I can't do that. Sorry.
Stanley, listen. It's not like we are killing her. It's just to make her, divorce her husband. She's not actually enjoying the marriage. The marriage is not good for her. It's not good for her career. Just do it for me.
What are you talking about? It's not like we want to kill her. It's not like we're killing her. So what are you doing? Oh, you think killing somebody is by maybe stabbing them, murdering them, and seeing their lifeless bodies littered everywhere? Emotional trauma is another form of killing. So what are you saying? Please, please, please. I don't think I want to do this. Please.
Stanley, just take a good look at yourself. Don't you want to upgrade your life? Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss it. Just grab it.
Which opportunity? You think it's every opportunity that someone will grab? There are opportunities that are death sentence. Like this one now is automatic death sentence. In fact, I'm out of this place. What are you talking about? I'm not. I have to leave.
5 million naira is the pay.
Your problem? This is an opportunity so many guys are looking for.
You said so many guys. Am I so many guys? I am one entity. One man that has conscience. I am not so many guys. Now go and look for so many guys and give them the job. I'm not interested.
You know what? I'm going to give you some time to, think over it.
Think about what? Think over destroying somebody. See, let me tell you something. My no is my no. I will not change my mind. Please stop dreaming. You are dreaming. Stop dreaming. I will not do it.
All right. Just take your time and please keep your mouth shut. Do not contact Sharon.
I don't have a problem with that. But you should change your ways. Change your ways from evil. Thinking about destroying somebody. Somebody that got created. Change your ways.
Please, where is Stanley?
Oh, Stanley. He just left. He went to the market to get materials.
Do you have an idea how long he's going to stay? Maybe I can wait for him.
I don't think you can wait though. It's not quite long he left actually.
Do you know where he stays?
Hey, it's his old place that I know. I don't know where he's staying recently.
Alright, thank you.
Bye-bye. Hi. Take care. Child, what did they do Stanley? See the kind of car where Stanley they going from. Hey! What happened? See the kind of car where they going from. What happened? What did they do you?
You no go understand, eh? She's asking for the impossible. I can't give it to her.
It can be impossible again.
You no go
Stanley,
understand.
I don't understand you.
Thank you.
They follow you come this workshop? Hey, Stanley.
I'm sure Stanley is at that shop. He's just dodging me. Okay? I know what to do. I know just what to do.
Stanley. So you didn't go to the market again?
Yes, I didn't go to the market again. I mean, why are you trailing me everywhere now? Why are you following me to this place? Please, if it's because of what you told me, the reason why you are here, I am not interested. Can't you get it? Actually, I'm not interested. Take it to someone else.
It's obvious you want to die poor. Like, you want to remain in this poverty. Please. Fine.
Instead of me destroying someone's happiness and marriage, let me remain like this. You're talking as if you are Almighty God. Are you Almighty God?
Now you listen. Since you don't want to take this job, keep your mouth shut. Do not contact Sharon, or you become my enemy.
Magafa now. Waiting down, man. They fine.
I don't understand. He is saying that help am destroy person marriage. And she's offering me 5 million naira for me to destroy somebody's happiness, somebody's marriage, just like that. Well, I told her I'm not interested.
Wait till you talk. No, wait till you talk.
I'm not interested. I have one with paper. I'm not interested.
No be that one at the top. Wait till be that figure where you call. 5 waiting. Wait till you call.
5 million.
5 million.
Why you dey shout?
You mean say you dey give 5 million? Say wetin happen?
Make her take destroy person marriage. You don't understand that I dey talk that thing.
You know wetin, give me the contact. Just give me the woman contact, no be to scatter marriage, See, person wey want make her marriage scatter. I don't dey outside, you get me? So wetin you dey waste? Which one be no worry? Omo, give me number, you dey talk. You be talk over man, you be talk over. Why you do like this?
He doesn't know good people don't make it in life. What do I do now? What do I do? How do I start looking for another person after I've convinced Stanley? Where do I start from? No, this is bad.
Opportunity. What will be big enough to change my life?
What are you doing here?
I am in.
Oh. Someone has come to his senses. Okay, fine. Come in. Come with me. First, you will receive 2 million naira after your first meeting with her. And you get your balance when the job is done.
Sorry. I'm just thinking aloud. Is what she did so strong that you can't even forgive her? That you had to bring her a sum of 5 million naira just for a revenge?
I don't need you to think for me. Neither do I need your motivational speech. Keep it to yourself. Just channel that energy to the job and get it done.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But first, I think we need to get you cleaned up because I doubt she will look at you with the way you look now. We need to upgrade and change you up. So,
how do I get the money? Is it by transfer or cash?
Transfer.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know, you can go to the first room by your left. Just freshen up and wear something nice for your first meeting.
Okay, I am thinking. Are you sure you're not thinking about changing your mind?
What's your problem? Can you just mind your business and do what brought you here? Just... Hello? Oh, you are at the gate? Alright, just give my gate man the key. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so the car you will be using for the job is here. So I've asked them to give my gate man the key. So just go and freshen up. Get on with it. Please be fast.
At the left.
Yes, the first room by your left.
Left?
Yes. So you see, this whole thing is just fantasy. They're not real. It's just to destroy you and your career. Debbie, why? Debbie, I trusted you. What have I done to you to deserve such wickedness and betrayal from you? What have I done? You? You are talking about betrayal and wickedness? You! Sharon. You betrayed me. What? No. You're asking what you did, right? You betrayed me. Okay, fine. Let me refresh your memory.
Come on. Meet my friend Sharon, the one I told you about. You can always give her roles in your movies. We've been best of friends right from our university days.
She's very beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope she can act very well.
Very well, Chairman. She has featured in some movies.
No problem. That's not changing. You can send me your pictures on WhatsApp.
Nice meeting you too, sir. I mean, I've heard a lot about you and I'm glad I'm meeting you. That's no problem. I'll just collect your number from my friend Debbie.
You're welcome. Debbie, I hope you are living your script very well. Because that role is a vital one. If you deliver, you'll be a long way.
Yes, Chairman, I'm getting ready. I can't wait to be on set.
I trust you. On Monday, my PM will call you.
Okay, sir.
Decide, and I'll find
Chairman, don't you think that a question is supposed to be the other way around? Like, it's supposed to be, what can we offer you? Don't you think so, Debbie? Oh, I never thought that. Here we go. Wow.
You look amazing. I mean, the dress is so fine. Thank you.
Girl, the dress is so good on you.
Oh my, you can say that again. So tell me. Anyways, thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome. So tell me, where are you off to? Because I know this lesson. You're off to something. So
Well, there's this guy I'm going to see, okay? I just want to go and see him. Let me know if like 1 or 2 is going to fall out or something like that.
You see, I thought as much.
Hi, Debbie. All I need right now is for you to wish me luck. Good luck.
What did he say?
Good.
You don't need luck. What you need right now is God's mercy.
Hey.
Because babe, now you want to go and
Stop it! See the way you're sounding. You're sounding like I want to go and kill somebody already. Please, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm just going there to. Sweetheart, I have to start leaving, alright?
Okay.
I'll be right back. And when I come back, I'll give you the full gist.
I'm waiting.
See ya. Don't miss
See
me
ya.
much.
Good luck.
Good luck. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, see ya.
You stupid boy. Come back here. Okay, no, that tone is not good. No, I'll be meeting all these celebrities. I need to. Okay. Hey, you stupid boy. Come back here. I think that's better. Hey, I cannot miss this opportunity. Oh. They've not called me. Oh. This is already 8 now. Maybe it will still come in. Wait. Thank you. So the one you are doing in secret is not enough. Okay. Thank you. So the one... No, don't even tell me that. I don't want to listen to you. How does it sound? Hi, baby. Okay, I should sound more natural. Thank you. So the one you've been doing before is not enough. Let me even go German. Pick now. Is it not picking? Someone is not picking. Yeah, he gave me his PM's number. I should call him. Pick up. Are they not starting the shoot again? It's almost... Debbie. You're sleeping. Sharon. You're back? Yes. Where did you go to? I went to see a friend, and then PM called me. He said I should come to the location. When I got there, I thought I was going to meet you there, but you were not there. PM called you and you didn't even call me? No, my phone went off. That was what happened. My phone automatically went off. So I literally asked him. He told me you were in your way, that you were coming. That was what he told me.
I called and he didn't take my calls.
Oh. Yeah, but that was not what he told me. I'm so sorry. Probably he didn't take your calls because he was busy. You know how this PM thing works, but jumping from one place to another. I'm sorry.
So they started the job. I was thinking maybe they didn't even start because they didn't. Okay.
What did you make? Did you make anything?
Nothing. I was studying my scripts and I did stuff.
Life is not the way you see it, so try to let this go, no matter what it may be. Why is that to gain from planning someone down for that fall? Don't forget that what goes around comes around.
I don't know. There is no need to run. I mean, Chairman, how long do you intend to hide from me?
Debbie, it's not what you think. It was a friend that came to me. Not me that called her.
What do you mean it was my friend that came to you? I mean, Sharon is my best friend. She can't betray me.
Yes. She came to me and gave me an offer I could not resist.
And what offer was that?
Why are you still staring at me like that? I mean, as though you're still surprised to see me.
Because you're the least person I expected to see.
I mean, it doesn't matter. It is not a bad thing if I come see you. Is it a bad thing? Chairman, it's not like I'm desperate or I'm too forward, but don't you think that role you gave to my friend Debbie is too much for her? Yes. I mean, just take a very good look at me. I have the charisma, I have the accent, I have good qualities, I have the beauty, I have all it takes to play that role. Or don't you think so? I mean, I don't mind. I can do anything, just anything at all.
What do you mean by anything? You see, I was helpless. I'm sorry.
How could Sharon betray me? And you, I trusted you, Chairman.
Debbie, you see, 99% of men will fall for it. But I'm sorry, I will make it up to you.
Hey, Sharon, how could you? I've always wished her well. How could she do this to me?
Debbie, look. Let me advise you. I will advise you, whenever you are going for job interview or job hunting, don't go with any of your friends until you secure the job. Thank you.
Debbie.
Sharon. What happened between you and Chama? You can't talk.
he was the one that asked me to come over. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Debbie, please, I'm sorry.
You don't know what came over you. You don't know what came over you. Sharon, what did I ever do to you? I treated you as a sister, as a friend. You took the role from me. Why? Why?
Debbie, please, I'm sorry. Just forgive me. I can't explain what happened. I'm sorry.
I should forgive you. I should forgive you. Fine. Fine. How could you do this to me? It's fine. I just blame myself for trusting you, thinking you have the same mind for me. I always take you along everywhere. I share everything with you, everything. And you.
Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. I don't know what came over me. Please, just forgive me. Debbie, please, I beg you. It will never happen again. Please.
No, it can't happen again. Never. It will never happen.
Debbie, please, I beg you.
Fine. Fine! It will never happen again.
Debbie, please, I beg you. I'm sorry. Debbie, please, I'm sorry.
That was the movie that brought you to limelight.
You betrayed me! Debbie, can you just stop? I pleaded for your forgiveness! That was a long time ago! Forgiveness? Did you say forgiveness?
Forgiveness is not for betrayals like you. No. If forgiveness is for betrayals, I guess Satan will still be in heaven by now. The door is open. You can take this your newly found love. Hey, shh, I'm talking. You can take him and walk through that door. Because I know that Benedict will never accept you. Or, better still, we can put this whole thing behind us and start all over. The choice is yours.
Do you know you are evil?
What are you still doing here? Shh. Out. You know, when my sister and my husband told me that you were up to evil, I doubted. I doubted them to the point that I even defended you. You know, thank God for the kind of sister and husband that I have. They made sure that I did not fall for your plans. They made sure that I did not fall for the trap that you have set for me. It might even interest you to know that I was just playing along. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh yes, I don't expect you to know what I'm talking about. I mean, I don't even expect you to understand it. But you know what? But you know what will happen right now? You need to fasten your seatbelt because I'm about to take you on a very long ride.
Obviously, you do not care about this marriage anymore.
I don't understand. Am I supposed to care about this marriage? No, you want to put the blame on me. No, I'm saying you want to put the blame on me. How is it my fault? Benedict, I have told you what I want. And it is very obvious you can meet up to my standards. You cannot meet up to what I want. So what are we saying?
There is a saying that if you cannot buy champagne, then you go for kai kai. After all, the two of them do it. They will hire you, but on a different level, and you know it.
What are we talking about here?
I can see Debbie, your friend, is misleading. Oh yes, she's influencing you.
No. Please don't even go there. I beg you, in the name of whatever thing you hold so there, don't drag my friend into it. Don't even mention her name. What is this? She has nothing to do with this. Are you understanding me? What are we even saying? What are we talking about? Ben, look at the divorce papers. I have sent it to you. It is glaring. It is looking at you. Sign this, the divorce paper. Let everybody go their separate ways. What is all this?
Can you listen to yourself? You've been advised to leave me. No, you've been advised to sign the divorce papers so that the so-called person advising you will replace you. But you have no eyes to see that. Obviously, yes, you're so blind to see that.
Hi! Ben, you're so funny. I never knew you were this funny. And then you're not doing this stand-up comedy. You're this funny. Who is going to replace who? I don't understand you. Debbie is going to do what? Chase who out of which marriage and replace who? Please just wake up from your slumber. Wake up from that imagination because it will never actualize. Do you understand? My friend Debbie has no interest in anything called marriage. Not today, not tomorrow, not next year. Debbie does not want to have anything to do with marriage. So if you think she wants to throw me out of my marriage and then take over, just wake up from that slumber because it's not even possible. Hey, Mr. Man, please, I'm begging you, sign this paper so you'll be so free like a bird to save yourself all the stress. Sign it so we can go our separate ways. What is this? You're giving me headache. Sign the papers.
Sharon, we're talking and you're walking out.
Say you be who?
Really?
Uncle Ben, please, just, I know you're offended. Please, just hold on. Let me just go and talk to her. Please.
Rose, if you know that you walked into this room to talk to me about who about Ben, get out.
Come on, sis. What's your problem? There's nothing valuable out there.
And if you don't have anything reasonable to say to me, leave my room.
Sis, your friend Debbie doesn't have good intentions towards you. She wants your downfall. She's even trying to make advances towards your husband.
I said, Rose, get out. I will not repeat myself again. Get out.
We have evidence if you're doubting it.
If I stole you my phone.
You can come for it. We have evidence.
Get out.
Sis, there's an evidence. Believe me.
You know, I've always had this crush on you and...
Baby, stop this.
Why are you behaving like this? As if you're not a man of your word. Come on. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Oh, okay. Is it because of your wife? You think she's faithful to you? Is that what you think? Huh.
Debbie, why are you behaving this way? You're criticizing my wife, obviously because you want me. And you think it can work? What?
No. All I just said now is the truth. Sharon is cheating on you. And I know it. She's not faithful.
You must be kidding. Yes. I mean, I ask you, do you think you're the one good for me? No, answer me that. Can you just answer sincerely? You think you're the one good for me? I ask you.
Of course I am. She's not good for you.
Will you shut up your mouth? Any evidence to prove all you've been saying? Do you have any evidence to prove all you have been saying about my wife?
Well,
Why stuttering? Are you now?
You're
stammering?
Prove it. That's...
Debbie, get out. Debbie, can you just get out from my car?
I can prove it.
Stammer out of my car, Debbie.
Fine. Fine.
Just to show you how
I Dash. Just imagine.
I never expected this from you.
Come on. Just enjoy ourselves. Oh, okay. It's because of your wife. You think she's faithful to you? Is that what you think?
Debbie, why are you behaving this way? You're criticizing my wife obviously because you want me. And you think it can work? What?
No. All I just said now is the truth. Sharon is cheating on you. And I know it.
You heard that, right?
Sources.
You
You still want another evidence? Or you think it's an AI?
Why? But why with Debbie that I hold so dear to my heart? Someone that I trusted. Why would she want to see my life destroyed? For what reason?
That's left for you to find out.
Sharon. Sharon. Man, I'm so sorry. Please, I beg you. I'm so sorry for the pains and everything that I have done. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I was just blindfolded by her advice. In her fantasy of stardom. Please, I beg you, forgive me.
You should be thanking your sister Rose and your God that my love for you never died. Oh yeah, so it's alright. Stand. Stand.
Thank you very much, Rose. Thank you for saving my marriage.
It's fine.
But I still need to know what Debbie is up to. I need to find out why she wants to do all of this. I just have to play along. And as for the video clip that you sent to my husband, thinking that I had something to do with Stanley. Newsflash. I want you to go and have a closer view of that clip. Just then, you would notice that there was nothing between myself and Stanley. I just thought that I should clear the air too.
Tell me how much she paid you. I'm willing to pay double.
What do you mean by paying me double? I don't get.
I know she hired you to set me up.
I still can't relate. What are you talking about?
Stanley, can you stop the pretense? Just stop it, alright? Do you know what I'm talking about? Besides, you said you loved me back then in school. Is this the love? What will you gain if you see your fellow man's relationship or marriage being viewed? What will you gain?
How did you know I was hired?
I made a few investigations. And then I realized that Debbie is up to something evil. She wants to ruin my life.
Alright, it's obvious you know what's going on. So what's next?
First, I need to know whose side you are. Are you on my side?
Yes, I'm on your side. But I want to do something like, I want to create an avenue where you both can settle your differences, you know. What's next? What's the next plan?
Very well done. I'd like us to continue. I'd like us to still play along. I want to really know what Debbie is up to. I want to see where this whole thing is driving at. Alright? So name your prize.
Will you stop with this naming of price? What is wrong with you? Sure, I don't like it. Alright? I am on your side and that's the most important thing here. Okay?
Very well done.
Hope you remembered everything we discussed.
Yes, ma. I remember.
Please, on no account should you talk.
I will not.
Not turn on the light. Remember, if you talk, Debbie might recognize my voice and then she would know that it is not me that was actually there.
Okay.
Alright? Please, I want you to do a clean job. No mess.
Alright. Thank you.
Good. Debbie, it is very obvious that you did not watch that video clip properly. You didn't have a closer view. I bet you if you had watched that video very well, you would have known. The truth is that I'm not a saint. I acknowledge the fact that I offended you, I wronged you, and I sincerely apologized for it. I went as far as giving you the sum of 10 million naira. Just to show you how truly sorry I am. Let me even ask you, what do you stand to gain? What will be your benefit if you get my life ruined? What? So Stanley, you have...
Hey! Stop it. Debbie, you really need to drop this matter at this point. Come on. She has asked you for forgiveness over and over again. She even compensated you with good amount of money. Is it until you see her dead before you let her go?
No, Stanley. Why are you stressing yourself? Why are you bothered? You're trying to convince her? No, don't. There's no point convincing her. If she likes, she can drop everything that happened between us. She can put it behind her. But if she still doesn't want to, there's no problem. She can go ahead and carry my matter on her head like Gala and Lakasera. If that will make her happy. If that is what you want, you can go ahead and do it. I don't care. Stanley, honestly, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you so much for choosing peace. I want you to know that I sincerely appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Debbie, like I said earlier, you have to drop this matter at this point. There is no need you fighting her. There is no wrong that is unforgivable. Forgiveness is for all wrongs. And as a matter of fact, when you forgive, you free your heart. You free your spirit. When you forgive, you make yourself whole. You purge yourself of all these black things in your heart. Right? So please, let it go.
Once again, Stanley, thank you so very much. Thank you. I would like you to come to my house. My husband wants to say thank you in person.
Really?
Oh yes, please don't say no.
It's alright.
Oh, you're coming?
Yes.
Very well then. Please do me the favor by driving this car.
Okay.
Thank you.
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you. 'Cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind?
Oh my goodness.
This is not it.
Well, a good one.
Sir, can I resign now?
I still want to say I'm very sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for the stress that I have put everyone through. Please, you all find a place in your heart to forgive me. Sweetheart,
Hey,
please,
come
I am
on.
sorry.
It's okay, alright?
Charity, once more, I am sorry. Believe me, from the deepest part of my heart, I am sorry. And thank you very much for saving my marriage.
Oh, what are sisters for?
Well, guys, I think this calls for better celebration, yeah? So go get ready, guys. We're stepping out.
And Obi's on me.
It's gonna be a crazy day. And adding to that, Stanley, send me your account number, all right? I am going to support you with a sum of 5 million naira so you build your business to that VIP level you've always wished. Oh, yes.
Wait.
My wife told me.
5 million what?
5 million naira. Yes, of course. My wife told me.
Thank you very much.
It's all right.
Thank you.
It's all right. Whoa! It's happening.
Thank you so much.
Oh, It's flowing. It's
Sounds
flowing.
nice.
Thank you very much, baby.
It's all good. Rose.
Sir.
So tell Peter and Philo to resume immediately.
Right,
Okay?
sir, I will.
Yes, they should come back.
I'll do that.
It's all good.
Thank you so much.
Come on, guys, go get ready. Go get ready. Go get ready. Woo! Come on.
You don't think my phone don't almost go. You don't pay as a cry, they tell them. You won't pay yourself. If you won't pay yourself, you won't die.
Hey, yo.
You won't pay yourself, pay yourself.
I want buy it. Philo? Philo? Let me give you this.
Peter, where you been since? Hey, see you.
Make I go. Say, you get what you want to say, you go call me back. I don't know why.
One even better, they say they could call you back. That means you care hope now. How come long they just pursue me like that? They didn't even tell me say they go call me back today. You are not even care hope at all.
Me, I get hope. Oh. God there. First you don't collect this. 500 waiting.
Rose, they call me madam sister.
Huh? Pick up.
Ero. Nafiro, yes. Yes, I see they around. Eh? What do you talk? Make I come back work. Why you my sister? Make I come back work.
Make you come back?
Yes.
No better. And they wait make them call me.
Yeah. They go call you, God go do one.
Wait.
Jesus. Going back to work.
Wait. Okay, they call me.
Okay, they call you.
Shh. Hello? Yes, sir. Make they come work now. Okay, sir.
That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind?